Good morning, friends. Today is again another day. How are you all? Today is Monday, as usual. I'm starting my vlog. So, this is the area where I live in. I'll just do a 360-degree and I can show you. Today, I'm going to share with you some interesting thing, but bizarre actually. Uh, yeah, this is the locality where I live in Bangalore. Nice locality. So today what I'm going to share is 500 meters away from this society there is a graveyard. There are actually three graveyards quite close by, but this one is just 500 meters away from my house. So what is bizarre is when people die here, Hindus actually also bury. That I knew. It depends upon the people. I mean, if you want to cremate, you cremate, or if you want to bury, you bury. That's absolutely up to you. So here in most of the time I've seen in South, people, Hindus bury. So that's fine. But what I find it bizarre is people burst firecrackers over here. They are so happy. So a lot of people, they gather around the graveyard, firecrackers, beating their drums, everything they do. And I didn't know this. Why people are so happy? Someone is dying. I mean, no matter what the age is, even if the people dies at the age of 80, 90, but still it's a death. The person is dying. But here, what I have understood from several of my friends here who are Kannada actually. So even the lady who works at my place, I've asked her, what is the reason why people burst firecrackers and they don't cry, they don't do anything, no emotions. So according to them, the thing is that the person has been relieved from all pain and suffering, and the person is going to the next world. The person is going to the heaven. So he is free from all pain, on suffering, tensions, anxiety, and the person is going to a very peaceful place where there will be always happiness, no sorrow, no suffering. It's only bliss. So this is their understanding of death. It's okay, fine. I mean, different people belonging to different culture, they have different way of thinking. Their customs and rituals are different. I, of course, am a Bengali. So for me, death is something which have the pain, the sorrow. Um we don't burst firecrackers, do we? Don't. We don't. Um, so here the people do, no matter what the age is, the death of the person's death, but they feel happy. And when I came here, I found it quite bizarre, to be very honest, because I haven't seen this bursting firecrackers and beating drums. I have not seen that. People bury, that I know. Hindus, they bury, that I know. I mean, maybe in Bengal or maybe in UP or some of those regions in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, where the Hindus, they cremate. But here in South, the culture is the people bury. They also cremate, but it's very popular that people, they bury their bodies. That's fine. But well, yeah, what I found weird is, bursting firecrackers, no emotions, no crying, no pain, no suffering. Maybe they have it in their heart, but the way they celebrate the death, that is something to be, um, experienced, which I've seen this. Although I find it to be a little bit weird, but it's okay. Different custom, different rituals, and different. This is why India is so unique, actually. Different state you go, different things you get to see, different things you get to learn, different things you get to experience. Uh, Food is different, language is different. There are so many things. India is so unique in its own way. India actually is great country. I'm proud to be an Indian. Of course, I'm proud to be a Bengali also, but I'm proud to be an Indian first and then a Bengali. Um, and I have traveled almost every place in India, north, south, east, west. My house is in Calcutta. I go there once in a year, sometimes twice a year. Um, I live in Taliganj, and my mother's place is very close to Acropolis Mall, uh, 300 meters away from that. So, I'm born and brought up in Calcutta. After marriage, only I am just traveling along with my husband to different places in India. And I got to learn so many things. That's really great. So, yes, and if you want to share your experience, please share with me. I would love to learn so many things from you all. This is my blog where I share everything, my cooking recipes, a little bit of chit chat session, my experience, wherever I go, wherever I travel. I also do a video shoot of those places and put them in my vlog to share with everybody, with all my friends. Please see those videos. You may or may not like it, it's okay, it's personal choice. Not all people have to like all people, but you can see those, and if you like them, please comment, share and subscribe to those channels. I have got another cooking channel also, that is called My Cooking World, so please visit that channel too. I have shared quite a few recipes, so please do like. Again, I'm telling you the same thing. It's a bit maybe irritating for you all, might be, but just subscribe my channel and please comment. I would love to get those comments. Any good comment, any bad comments, all are appreciated, because even if you criticize me, there is a scope of me of rectifying myself. So I take criticisms in a very positive way. So please do that, feel free to do that. And I would also love to listen to your experiences, your things. Please do that. Okay? Bye. See you in my next vlog.